Hi guys, today we're going to look at how to cook in a small space using vegetables from the vegetable patch next door. The water is boiling when you see small bubbles appear. First add tomatoes and all flavouring.
I guess this boy is not for loving.
After all, oh, after all.
She saved me from the next one.
Another secret is to put the heat down as soon as it starts boiling. And just wait. It takes about 10 minutes. That's not cooked yet. You can tell because it's supposed to come out easily. Back in for another few minutes. Let's go and see my pet bird while that's cooking, shall we? It's one hell of a cold day up here. You can tell that again. Let it steam for a few minutes. Pepper is your best friend when it comes to seasoning.
Every time about now you would tell this one, baby, right.
Fucking delicious.